Three things can go wrong with your freezer. One is the defrost heater itself, which is down here, right down in there. That can go bad. Or this switch here that turns the heater on and off can go bad. Or the actual thermistor that senses the temperature can go bad. There's one here and one down in the wall here. So, looks like ours is bad. As you can see, this one's cracked, which means moisture got into it and froze and it's gone bad. I'll replace all three parts just because it's the only parts in the whole circuit. It's called the shotgun approach, but while you're in here it's much easier to do all three. So you got to cut the wires and splice it into place and seal the connections. Over and out.